What is this nonsense? Welcome to Exile. Well. Look who it is.
Hi, Jeff.
Welcome, Jeff. Hello.
Great to have you here.
As if you just didn't murder me.
There's no permits here, Jevin, so if you just want to give us the ones
okay.
you've got, then we can be on our merry way.
No.
Jeff, if you need any more information, you can press this button
Oh,
here.
God.
Hello. The Permit Office welcomes you to Exile. If you are here, it means you haven't handed over your unused permits.
Oh, God.
If you are here accidentally, we apologize for the inconvenience. Here in Exile, there is no way back home. The Permit Office recommends that you take time to reflect on your actions and make behavioral changes that will lead to your reintegration. We here at the Permit Office understand that
drown
this
myself,
is
I
potentially
think.
a challenging time for you. As such, we have provided complimentary comfort room that will ease your anxieties. We hope you find your time here educational and productive. The board thanks you for your cooperation, and we hope to see you again soon.
Dear God.
Aw, wasn't
If
that
I have
nice,
to
Jeff?
listen to that again, I'm just
Nice.
going to drown myself.